आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि सीबीएसई बोर्ड ने एकेडमिक ईयर 2020-21 के लिए फॉर एक सब्जेक्ट ऑफ क्लास 10 सीबीएसई का सिलेबस रिड्यूस कर दिया है। अब हम जब भी प्रिपरेशन करते हैं सीबीएसई बोर्ड के एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, तो ये तो जानना जरूरी है कि क्या सिलेबस हमारे आने वाला है और क्या क्या पोर्शन डिलीटेड है। In this video, I am going to explain each and every small portion of the syllabus which is a part of your 10 science, maths, essays, English, Sanskrit, Hindi and computer subject syllabus, and especially what portion of the syllabus going to be get reduced by the CBSE board for the current academic year. This video is very helpful to you, so watch till end for each and every subjects. And also please share this video with your friends, and please do revise this video whenever you prepare any particular subjects. Now, first we will go to English. In this deleted portion of the English, if you check the grammar portion, then use of passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb, clause of conditions and time, relative prepositions are removed. From the first flight textbook of class 10, literature portion, how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter and Fort Anne Gregory are removed. Footprints without feet may say, the midnight visitor, the questions of trust, and the book that saved the earth. This portion is removed from the class 10 English subject by the government. As far as science is concerned, from the unit 1, metals and non-metals, chemistry portion में से basic metallurgical process, corrosion and its prevention are removed by the government. From carbon and its compound, the most difficult portion for the students, that is nomenclature of the carbon containing compound with functional groups, halogen, alcohol, ketone, aldehyde, alkenes and alkynes are removed. Difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, chemical properties of the carbon containing compounds like combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution, ethanol and ethanoic acids, their properties and uses, soaps and detergents. This portion is removed by the government from the chemistry portion of the 10 science. Whereas as in world of living, from biological portion, control and coordination in elements and plants may say trophic movements in plants, introduction of plant hormones, control and coordination in animals, nervous system, voluntary, involuntary and reflex action, chemical coordinations and animal hormones are removed. As far as hereditary and evolution is concerned, basic concept of evolution is removed from the subject. Now move to the natural phenomena, that is human eye and colorful world, that is from physics portion, functioning of a lens in a human eye, defects of vision and their corrections, application of spherical mirrors and lenses are removed. From effect of current, magnetic effect of electric current, that is electrical generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of alternating current, advantages of alternating current over DC, and domestic electric circuits are removed. From the natural resources, general sources of energy, that is different form of energy, conventional and non-conventional energy, fossil fuels, solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy. These portions are removed. When it comes to the maths, then if you going through the chapters like
Hello friends, I am back with some great news. In maths, we see the unit 1 number system. In that, the chapter 1 only, the real numbers. In that, the Euclid division lemma is the main topic and it is removed from the our government. So it's very good news. In the second unit, algebra, there are the four main chapters, and in that chapter 2 polynomials, in that statement and simple problems on division algorithm for the polynomials with real coefficients was deleted. In chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, cross multiplication method. You all are seeing some mistakes or some problems in while solving this method. Cross multiplication method is removed. And chapter 4, quadratic equation, situational problems based on equations reducible to the quadratic equations. That means the word problems basically, and the reducible form that we see in the chapter 3 also, the reduced form for the quadratic equations, that is removed exactly from the chapter 4. Look at the chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. In that, application in solving the daily life problems based on sum to the n terms. That means Sn. Finally, we solve the Sn, but it is valid, but the word problems based on the Sn is removed from the chapter 5. Go for unit 3, that is a coordinate geometry, and in that section, the chapter 7 only, coordinate geometry is concerned. Area of triangle is removed. And in chapter unit 4 geometry, chapter 6 triangles, there is two main theorems are deleted. Which are they? The ratio and the Pythagoras theorem. Which one the ratio is? The ratio of the area of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. The ratio theorem. And the Pythagoras theorem is, in the triangle, if the square on one side is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is the right angle. Circles, no deletion. In this chapter is the whole as it is. In the constructions of a triangle similar to the given triangle is only deleted. In unit 5, trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. First, motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 and 90 degree. 0 and 90 degree, the sums are deleted. Trigonometry identities, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, that means 90-degree angles, the sums based on 90-degree angles are removed. Height and distances, no deletion. Now unit 6, mesurations. In that section we see chapter 13, areas related to circles. So problems on central angle of 120 degree is only this topic is related from this whole chapter. And sorry, so this is chapter 12 and chapter 13, frustum of cone, which is the last, and the people get confused sometimes while solving this examples. Frustum of cone is deleted, so it's a good. And last but not the least, the unit 6, unit 7, statistics and probability. The statistics chapter 14, step deviation method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph, that means the ogive. Ogive is deleted whole. And last chapter, probability, it's very easy, so though there is no need to deletion. Thank you.
इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ हिंदी आप देख सकते हैं कि जिस बच्चों ने हिंदी लिया होगा तो क्षितिज भाग 2 काव्य खंड में से देव जयशंकर प्रसाद की आत्मकथ्य, नागार्जुन गिरीश कुमार माथुर से छाया मत छूना, मंगलेश दबराल का संगतकार, मन भंडारी का एक कहानी यह भी, महावीर प्रसाद द्विवेदी से स्त्री शिक्षा के विरोधी कृतकों का खंडन, यतेंद्र मिश्र का नौबत खाने में इबादत एंड भदंत आनंद कौशल्यान का संस्कृति, ये पाठ क्षितिज भाग 1 में काव्य खंड और गद्य खंड में से रिमूव किए गए हैं। जबकि कृतिका भाग 2 में से यही था टहलुना एंड मैं यूं क्यों लिखता हूँ, ये दो पोर्शन डिलीट किए गए हैं हिंदी ए में से। हिंदी बी के अंदर अलंकार, व्याकरण खंड में से अलंकार, पद्य खंड में से बिहारी दोहे, महादेवी वर्मा मधुर मधुर मेरे दीपक जल, वीरेंद्र अंगवाल टोप, रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर का आत्म त्राण रिमूव किया गया है। गद्य खंड में से सीताराम सेकरिया का या डायरी की एक पन्ना, प्रहलाद अग्रवाल तीसरी कसम से शिल्पकार शैलेंद्र, अंटोन चेखट का गिरगिट एंड रविंद्र कलकर का पज्जन में टूटी पंटिया, गिन्नी का सोना, ये सब गद्य खंड रिमूव कर दिए गए हैं। अब आते हैं हम सोशल साइंस पे। सोशल साइंस के सेक्टर में यूनिट 1 इंडिया एंड कंटेम्परेरी वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री पोर्शन में से सेक्शन 2 में से द बोर्ड के अंदर पूछे जाएंगे सेक्शन 2, 3 और 4, बट पीरियोडिक टेस्ट जो कुछ भी स्कूल लेगी उसमें ले सकते हैं, बट बोर्ड में पूछा जाएगा नहीं। जबकि सेक्शन 3 एवरीडे लाइफ, कल्चर एंड पॉलिटिक्स, प्रिंट कल्चर एंड मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड, ये पूरा चैप्टर रिमूव कर दिया गया है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, वो पूरा चैप्टर रिमूव कर दिया गया है। फ्रॉम जियोग्राफी, फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ पूरा चैप्टर रिमूव कर दिया गया है। वाटर रिसोर्सेज भी पूरा चैप्टर रिमूव कर दिया गया है, एक्सेप्ट द मैप आइटम्स विच हैज टू बी असेस्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन। यानी मैप आएंगे आपके, बट बाकी चैप्टर का थियरी पढ़ना नहीं है। मिनरल्स एंड एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज से भी वापस पूरा चैप्टर रिमूव कर दिया है, एक्सेप्ट मैप। मैप वापस इसमें भी आएगा। तो जियोग्राफी ओवरऑल मैप बेस पे रहेगा, जो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। डेमोग्राफिक पॉलिटिक्स में से, पॉलिटिकल साइंस में से डेमोक्रेसी एंड डाइवर्सिटी, जेंडर, रिलीजन एंड कास्ट, पॉपुलर स्ट्रगल एंड मूवमेंट एंड चैलेंजेस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, ये सब रिमूव कर दिए गए हैं। As far as computer application is concerned, Unit 4 alternatives and different parts of the alternatives are removed from the syllabus. You can check in detail and please consult your computer teacher while preparing for the subject. This is the main portion which get deleted by CBSE board in the various. If you guys find this video very useful, please do subscribe our channel and share the video with your friends. And please do prepare according to the latest syllabus provided by the CBSE board. Thank you. Take very good care of yourself.